Hello students, let us continue the session on revision in the chapter area related to circles. In the previous session we had discussed till second question. Now the third question is, sides of a triangular field are 15 meter, 16 meter and 17 meter. With the three corners of the field, a cow, a buffalo and a horse are tied separately with ropes of length 7 meter each to graze in the field. Find the area of the field which cannot be grazed by the three animals. Here it's a triangular field. So a rough diagram I am going to draw it. In this triangular field, a cow, a buffalo and a horse are tied separately at the corners. The sides of the triangular fields are given. They are 15 meter, 16 meter and 17 meter. Let me consider the angle which is formed as, say, theta 1. Here it is theta 2. Here it is theta 3. Now I am going to shade this part. This part of this portion is the field which cannot be grazed by these three animals. Here let me mention the radius as r. Radius is the length of the rope, so r is equal to 7 meter. Now I require area of the triangle. For that, let's make use of Hero's formula to find the area of the triangle. We require semi-perimeter. It is sum of the three sides upon 2. The sides are 15, 16 and 17. Let's add them by 2. The sum is 48 upon 2 gives us 24 meter. So area of triangle is root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. So it is root of 24 times 24 minus 17, 24 minus 15, 24 minus 16. Hence we get root of 24 into 7 into 9 into 8. Let us further simplify. I can express 24 as 8 3 times. In other words, 2 multiplied 3 times, then 3 into 7 into 3 times 3 into 2 multiplied 3 number of times. Here 8 and 3, their squares exist. So 24 root remaining is 7 into 3. Hence it is 24 root 21 meter square. This is the area of triangle. Now I require area of the three sectors. So let's find the area of the sectors. Area of sectors will be pi r1 square theta 1 upon 360 plus pi r2 square theta 2 by 360 plus pi r3 square theta 3 upon 360 Since the lengths of the ropes are equal, R1 will be equal to R2 will be equal to R3, and it is 7. So let me take pi times R square as common by 360. You'll be getting theta 1 plus theta 2 plus theta 3. The sum of the three angles is 180 degree. 180 upon 360 is 2. So 22 by 7 into R square is 7 times 7, and we get it as 77 meter square. Therefore, area which is not graced will be equal to 24 times root 21 minus 77 meter square. Question number 4. Find the area of the segment of a circle of radius 12 cm whose corresponding sector has central angle of 60 degree. Let me draw a rough figure. The central angle is 60 degree. Now I require the area of segment. Let me shade the region where segment is formed. Let me name this as AB. R be the radius, which is 12 centimeter. Here, since the angle is 60 degree over here, the isosceles triangle, the remaining two angles are equal. So angle A will be equal to angle B. This will be equal to 60 degrees. So it forms an equilateral triangle. Therefore, triangle AOB is equilateral. Since it is equilateral triangle, we can find area of triangle as root 3 by 4 into side square. Here the side is same as the radius 12 times 12. Let me find out the area of sector. The area of sector is given by theta by 360 into pi r square. The angle formed is 60 upon 360 into 3.14 into r square is 12 times 12. Here it is 6 times. Therefore, area of segment, in particular it is a minor segment, this will be equal to the area of the sector minus the area of triangle. Let's substitute. It is 1 by 6 times 3.14 times 12 times 12 minus root 3 by 4 multiplied to 12 by 12. Here this is 6 2 times, so 6.28 multiplied to 12, which is 75.36 minus, this will be 3 times 3 12s are 36 root 3. So 75.36 minus 36 root 3 centimeter square. This is the area of the minor segment. Question 5. A circular pond is 17.5 meter, is of diameter. So the diameter of the circular pond is 17.5 meter. It is surrounded by a 2 meter wide path. Find the cost of constructing the path at the rate of rupees 25 per meter square. So it forms a concentric circle here, the pond and the path. Let me consider R1 as the radius of the smaller circle here, and R2 be the radius of the larger circle. Since R1 is the radius of the smaller circle, the radius is 17.5 upon 2, which is 8.75 meters. Here the width of the path is 2 meter, so the outer radius will become 8.75 plus 2, which is 10.75 meters. Now we have got both the radii, so we can find out the area of the path. Area of the path will be equal to pi r2 square minus pi r1 square. Here pi is being common, this will be r2 square minus r1 square. Now if I want to find the cost, I need to multiply this particular thing with rupees 25. So directly I would find the cost of constructing the path will be equal to rupees 25 to be multiplied to 22 upon 7. This has to be multiplied to 10.75 whole square minus 8.75 whole square. Let's use a plus b into a minus b. What do we get? The difference will be 2 and the sum will be 19.5. So it is rupees 25 times 22 by 7 multiplied to 2 into 19.5. On simplification, we get it as rupees 3064.29. Question number 6. In the figure 11.17, ABCD is a trapezium with AB parallel to DC, AB equal to 18 cm, DC equal to 32 cm, and distance between AB and DC equal to 14 cm. If arcs of equal radii 7 cm with centers A, B and C and D have been drawn, find the area of the shaded portion. Here for simplification, I'd consider the angles to be theta 1, theta 2, theta 3 and theta 4. And this radii, they are equal to 7 cm. Here the area of trapezium is required. The area of trapezium is the sum of parallel sides multiplied to the height divided by 2. This is the formula. This will be equal to, the parallel sides are 18 and 32 to be multiplied with the height, and the height is 14 divided by 2. We would get 350 centimeter square. Now we shall find out area of sectors. These are 4 in number, so area of 4 sectors will be equal to 4 times. I'll take out pi r square by 360 as common. We'll be getting theta 1 plus theta 2 plus theta 3 plus theta 4. This sum of the angles is 360, hence that's 360 and 360, they get cancelled. We need multiplying 4 with 22 upon 7 into radius square, which is 7 times 7. one of the 7 get cancels, so we get it as 154 centimeter square. Therefore, the area of shaded portion will be equal to 350 area of the trapezium minus the area of these 4 sectors. The difference is 196 centimeter square. With this question, I'll end today's session. We shall take up few more questions in the next session. Thank you.